you have to keep a 12-hour gap between dinner and breakfast. And it's so simple.
It's not simple, but 2 बजे भूख लग जाती तो फ्रिज खुल जाता है.
कुंडली मैच करने से पहले ब्लड प्रोफाइल भी देख लो.
I shouldn't be saying this. I don't want to get into trouble. There's something called a
Vampire facial.
It's called the Shadi Glow, by the way.
Women are ज़्यादा conscious of how they look, whereas men are तो like अभी तो फंस गई लड़की हो गया हम लोग का.
Shadi planning is kind of like writing, directing, and acting in your own movie.
I've met people who have been on Ozempic and have put on weight.
इतना आसान होता मेरा तो प्रोफेशन बंद हो जाता.
You can also just steam.
अभी ये मोहतरमा कहाँ स्टीम करने जाएंगे?
एक महीने में कटरीना कैफ की बॉडी चाहिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. बोलो काला चश्मा पहन के चले जाओ. वेलकम बैक टू द मान्यवर शादी शो. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट करण जौहर. देखो कुर्ता लहंगा शेरवानी तो आप मान्यवर मोहे से ले ही लोगे, but there's one thing they can't give you instantly, something even more stressful, at least to me: your wedding day glow. In reels, the bride and groom at the mandap look just picture perfect, but let's get real. That's mostly just because of good lighting and great photographers. In real life, it's mithais at every corner, mom stuffing you with love, and the pressure of fitting into outfits tighter than my schedule for this shoot. So today, we're focusing on health. And of course, I have my fabulous panel of experts for this in front of me. First up, the queen of grace and strength, Yasmin Karachiwala, celebrity fitness expert. She's the secret behind the toned bodies of stars like Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt, and Ananya Pandey. Today, she'll talk about how one can scout efficiently and move beautifully to look and feel the best on D-Day. Next, Neha Sahai, a nutritionist and wellness consultant known for her holistic approach to health and beauty. She has helped a lot of celebrities achieve their fitness goals through personalized nutrition plans. And finally, the newlyweds, who recently exchanged their vows in a dreamy beach wedding, Adar and Alekha. Adar is an actor who hails from the illustrious Kapoor family, and Alekha, his better half, is a Cornell graduate, the founder of Waywell, a platform that curates premium wellness experiences. All right. Wow. Okay. Firstly, congratulations to the
Thank you so much.
newlyweds.
Thank you.
Thank
How
you.
did it
Thank you.
feel? How did it all work out? How was the shadi?
The short version or the long version?
The short version, darling.
It feels amazing because like we've been friends our whole life.
Yeah.
So we've known each other for 22 years now.
Yeah.
And it just feels
Oh my
great.
God, you've known him 22
Yeah.
years.
Since I
she's
was
my neighbor.
9, 10 years old. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
हम
grew
दोनों
up
एक दूसरे से
together.
Yeah.
बचपन से जानते हैं. She
हाँ.
was in my school. And
bus.
same bus.
Same bus stop.
Desk partners.
Oh,
We
wow.
used to copy off each other's exams. Both failed.
I copied, I failed.
We
He also
we
failed.
failed in our exams. We both got A's in life. So,
Yeah.
Alekha, Adar.
Alekha A, that way. Got it. I was wondering kaun sa A. Huh. Talking about getting fit and I've been reading on the gram, Yasmin, something about this 6-week glow plan. Like, you know, it's pretty much a viral phenomena. How true is this, or how much of Instagram nonsense is this? Like,
So
what
6
should...
weeks, Karan, is a really great time to put into your workout and be consistent. But it depends that in that 6 weeks, how many days you're actually going to the studio or a gym or you're working out. And 6 weeks is basically 1.5 month.
Yeah.
And if you work out regularly for 1.5 month, at least 3 to 4 times a week, you are going to see a difference.
अगर
So-
आप पूरे इस दौरान में आपने रोज या शायद सिर्फ वीकेंड्स आपने ऑफ ले लिया, मंडे टू फ्राइडे का रूटीन आपने फॉलो किया, तो आप कह रहे हो कि ये 6 हफ्ते का जो प्लान है, इट्स वेरी वेरी एडवाइजेबल.
ऑफ कोर्स 10 किलो लूज नहीं होगे
हाँ.
और आपको कोई न्यू बॉडी नहीं मिलेगी, मगर ग्लो की बात हो रही है तो
हाँ.
ग्लो डेफिनेटली आता है क्योंकि जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो योर बॉडी रिलीजेस एंडोर्फिन्स व्हिच आर योर फील गुड हार्मोन्स. आपका स्किन, आपकी हेयर, everything starts looking better because you're sweating, you're throwing out toxins from your body and you're meant to glow.
You're meant to glow.
Yeah.
And has there been a wild request given to you, like, I need to look hot, but this is the time frame? Like, because I'm sure you get that all
Of
the time.
course,
I
all
need
the
to
time.
look, have a banging body by whatever, and suddenly they've come last minute to you, and you're
नहीं
like,
नहीं,
I'm not a
एक महीना
magician.
है, मुझे एक महीने में आप कटरीना कैफ की बॉडी चाहिए।
हाँ, बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
हाँ।
नहीं, हाँ, मिल जाएगी।
बोलो काला चश्मा पहन के चले जाओ यहाँ से. Literally, you should have said that.
अभी
हाँ.
बोलूंगी।
हाँ,
This
ये
is a
अभी
good
बोल दो.
line.
So you've had those
Of
clientele that who
course,
come and
have
said
had
these things.
these clients, but I've also had clients जो जिनको पता है कि टाइम लगता है, and honestly वो जो लास्ट एक मंथ होता है शादी के पहले, वहाँ लोग if they're coming 5 times a week before that, वो 5 बार वो 10 एक महीने में आएंगे, because there's so much else to do before your wedding,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
and then your guests start coming in, hair, makeup, facial
Yeah,
hair.
so how can you
So
find all
yeah,
the
so
time in the
you
world?
need to give yourself 3 months.
Any great training specialist will tell you that workouts are a big part of it, but the bigger part is your diet, right?
Of course.
So I ask you the same question. Have you had that same kind of crazy ask? Like, I want to be on a crazy diet and starve myself to death because I want to look hot? Because many people don't want to work out, but they can skip meals.
So, I've seen कि मैंने ये सबसे common देखा है कि people like to, do this quick marriage trap of diet, where they want to eliminate एक food group को निकाल देते हैं, या
जैसे
they go on
carbs
a
निकाल
water
दिया.
diet,
Yeah.
or they just want to have some liquids all the time. And जब भी you remove a food group, it will affect your skin, your health, and your gut microbe the most. जैसे कि आप carbohydrate निकाल दिए, that is your rice, roti,
बिल्कुल.
and bread. Now, excessive carbs problem है. थोड़ा तो carbs खाना ही चाहिए,
खाना
because
बिल्कुल चाहिए.
it will end up giving you mood swings, which is, it can create a lot of problem for everyone. Secondly, आप sleep deprived होंगे. So when you're sleep deprived,
Because
what happens is,
carbs make you sleep better?
to some extent, yes, they do. They give you energy, right?
Good, you're
अगर
giving me
आपके
some
पास
tips.
एनर्जी नहीं है, आप ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी और टी पियेंगे, कॉफ़ी टी ज़्यादा पियेंगे तो डिहाइड्रेटेड हो जाएंगे, डिहाइड्रेट करेंगे तो स्किन का ग्लो कैसे आएगा? फिर क्या करते हैं लोग, दूसरी चीज़ है फैट निकाल देते हैं. दे गो ऑन अ लो फैट डाइट. अभी फैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हार्मोनल बैलेंस, फॉर योर इम्यूनिटी, फॉर ओवरऑल स्किन हेल्थ एंड ग्लो. नाउ फैट के बदले इफ़ यू गो फॉर लो फैट फूड, क्या होता है, दे आर एडेड विद मोर स्टार्च, शुगर, सॉल्ट, प्रेजर्वेटिव्स, फ्लेवर्स ऐड कर देते हैं. सो इन द एंड योर गट माइक्रोब इज अफेक्टेड. आपका गट ठीक से नहीं चलता तो स्किन कैसे ग्लो होगा? इट्स ऑल कनेक्टेड इन
It's
द
all
एंड ऑफ द डे.
connected.
Yes.
Skin reminds me, Alika, you've spoken about. I mean, I know that you know a lot about skincare. So, what are the things that one should avoid completely, or what people
Before
consider?
wedding.
Like, everyone has, like, for skincare, it's much like when somebody's pregnant and you have like 100 opinions. For skincare, everyone has an opinion.
Yeah.
It starts from Uptan to Vico Vajradanti, going right up to
Multani
putting
mitti.
cucumber on your eyes, going
Yeah.
to right now, using the best skin, like,
I
from
love all
La
those
Prairie to La
things.
Mer, right to Uptan on your face. Like, literally, I've heard it all. So, what do you think are the avoidables where it comes to
I love all those things. You said all the home care remedies, I think, are really, really nice because they're natural. But I've tried a lot of things. I've done especially before the wedding, from like PRP to like different lasers to different facials, even like IVs and
And there's something, sorry to interrupt you, but there's something called what is it? Dracula? No, what is it? Wait.
Vampire facial.
It's a PRP facial. So
Oh, really?
They take your blood, they cure it or treat it, they remove like the plasma, and then they like do the laser on your skin, and then they put the plasma into your skin after the laser. It's a
Sounds
scary
painful.
process.
It is painful.
But it's not.
Did you
it's-
try it?
I've done it for the
Oh my
wedding.
God,
yeah.
you tried everything.
I did it.
So, what do you think worked the best on you?
I liked that. I think boosters also help a little bit. Like it just gives you a glow,
Uh.
that outside external glow.
It
Not the
enhances your
inside.
existing glow.
Enhances your existing glow, but not only the
और while
inside.
ये कर रही थी आदर, तुम क्या कर रहे थे?
Look, he's come with me.
She's taken me along also.
तेरे moral support के लिए चले
Ah,
गए।
no.
खुद ये
I've been to the
You've
dermat
been
quite
doing
quite a
it
bit
too?
also. Huh?
आपने भी ये सब किया?
No,
मैंने
no.
काफी कुछ किया मैंने काफी सारे
अच्छा,
facials किए
इसलिए दोनों
I
इतने
also
चिकने
did,
लग रहे
what's
हो.
it?
I took him for
Gluta
the
drips.
glutathione
Gluta
drip.
Gluta
And-
drips.
yeah which is
What is
basically
that?
like a skin it's not just for skin, it's for your entire body to
Actually,
detox.
it is
detox.
a good antioxidant.
It's a good antioxidant.
It's a
Correct.
strong
Detoxes.
antioxidant, but you cannot do last minute. आपको थोड़ा time देना
Yeah,
पड़ता
yeah,
है
of
उसके
course.
लिए.
Also
But
2 weeks
again, it has to be
prior.
balanced with a
Singing
good
to bubble
diet
drink.
and
Yeah.
exercise
Yeah.
routine.
It's called the Shadi Glow, by the way, in all these dermats. That's
Yeah.
what they're selling it
They
as.
call it the Shadi
Shadi
Glow. It's a
Glow.
package.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's a
she's taken me
package.
for all this. Huh? I don't know.
But tell me, like, if I had to ask you, Yas, what is if I had to say that, is there like the 3 pieces of advice you want to give a couple and like you're 3 months away from your shadi. Chalo, we're not even saying 6 weeks, we're saying 3 months, because most planning really starts around that time. 3 months ago, what is the advice you would give to a couple who want to look banging on that special day?
Consistency. Be consistent with your workout. Definitely do Pilates with
You would.
strength
So I was going to
training.
ask you actually, cardio, yoga, Pilates.
Yeah,
What
so
is the?
Pilates is really great because it works on your posture.
Hmm.
और अगर आप लहंगा पहन रहे हो और आपका posture अच्छा है तो आप even if you have a little bit of weight कोई वो नहीं देखेगा, सब आपका posture देखेंगे. And if you have a lehenga and you walk like this and you have the best body,
It doesn't matter.
yeah, you're not going to give out that glow.
Yeah.
It's your posture. So definitely do Pilates, do strength training, because if you're wearing sleeveless and a little bit of muscle shows,
Hmm.
it always looks really good. Hydrate really well.
Hmm.
And then do a little bit of cardiovascular for stamina, which you don't know when you'll need.
Hmm.
During your wedding functions, you're running around, you're doing 100 things. Most wedding these days, the functions get over 6 बजे सुबह में खत्म होते
हाँ,
हैं और 10
फिर
बजे
आपको
कुछ
जल्दी
और
बजे उठना
हाँ
होता है.
10 बजे
Yeah,
कुछ
true.
और होता है और वो स्टैमिना जो आप बिल्ड कर रहे हो वो आपको रियली हेल्प करता है ड्यूरिंग योर वेडिंग.
Oh, thank you.
So I
That's a
think
big
that
help.
is very, very important.
And darling, what do you think your advice would be when we have a restricted period of time? कि कुछ ऐसे rules या regulations जो आप follow कर सकते हो, which is not, see, there is a practicality and there is like जो लोग बहुत काम करते हैं शादी के दौरान बहुत काम होता है, तो it's very difficult to manage a dietary plan कि रोज आपको certain खाना खाना. It's all very well. Like I always tell people, when we are on film sets and we are behind the camera, not when you're in front of it, because that's your job to look great, because you're in front of camera, that is part of your work routine. But we are working like 18-hour days, 17-hour days. I mean, कहाँ dieting आप करोगे, कहाँ workout आपका होगा? So what is a balanced way to approach the situation? Like,
So current first thing is one has to eat right, not less. Dieting का शब्द में ना ये बहुत mistake हो जाता है. People think you have to eat less. No, you don't have to eat less. You have to eat right. Second thing is you have to keep a 12-hour gap between dinner and breakfast. Now ये intermittent fasting नहीं है. It's a natural way for your body to detox, give your gut a break. Your cells of your skin will rejuvenate in this period. तो वो 12 hours gap बहुत जरूरी. What people
between
do,
your dinner and your breakfast.
12 hours, which is nothing. आप 8 बजे खाएंगे, सुबह 8 बजे खाइए. प्रॉब्लम जब होता है कि आप 12 बजे तक टीवी देख रहे हो और पॉपकॉर्न खा रहे हैं, बीच बीच में खाते जा रहे हो. Keep a 12-hour gap, and it's so simple. 12-hour gap is
नहीं
nothing.
है, it's not
It's nothing.
It's
Second
not
thing is-
simple, but
12
some of us are
simple to say.
nocturnal creatures. We are awake till late. तो 2 बजे भूख लग जाती है तो फ्रिज खुल जाता है.
But if you're now it's your wedding, it's your
Yeah.
biggest day of your life.
वो तो
You
नहीं
want to
होने वाला
shine
कुछ भी.
like a superstar, then you have to do थोड़ा sacrifice.
थोड़ा sacrifice
12
तो
घंटा ही
करना
है.
है. चलो
Not
कर लो.
asking 16 hours,
हाँ.
12 hours only. And then, second thing is after your meal, which is my favorite advice, is कि 15 minute chalo, movement. That helps your blood sugar levels to balance better. They don't rise quickly, and वो food to fat conversion थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. All you have to do between your main meals, 10 से 15 minute movement करो. It's a slight stroll भी होगा, चलेगा. It's such a simple advice. Anyone can do this in their office or wherever they are shopping,
चलो,
whatever.
15 minute.
Okay?
हाँ.
That is it. Next is कि आपको wholesome food खाना है. मतलब just remove your packaged products. घर का खाना खाइए. बड़ा
घर का.
simple advice है. Simple khichdi, dal, roti, sabji. These fancy foods like burrito bowls, falafel bowls, they are like 800, 900 calories, आप सिंपल रोटी दाल सब्जी खाइए. इट्स 300 350 कैलोरी. इतना सिंपल है. घर का खाना, क्लीन फूड, लेस सॉल्ट है, सब देयर नो एडिटिव्स एडेड. ये 3 स्टेप करेंगे एंड इफ यू ड्रिंक इनफ वाटर थ्रू आउट द डे, दैट्स ऑल यू नीड टू गेट दैट ब्यूटीफुल ग्लो ऑन योर स्किन. इट्स
Yeah.
सो इजी.
The skin and you will lose the weight.
So weight loss is a indirect or a byproduct of healthy living.
Yeah.
आप अगर 6 weeks ठीक से खाएंगे, सिंपल चीज होगा, आपका गट माइक्रोब बदलेगा, गुड बैक्टीरिया विल एक्सीड योर बैड बैक्टीरिया, आपका ब्लोटिंग कम होगा, आपका गैस कम होगा. Nobody wants all that in the wedding, right?
Yeah, definitely not.
Definitely not, right? So that will, your bowel movements improve हो जाएंगे, आपका लिवर बेटर डिटॉक्सिफाई करेगा आपका बॉडी, आपका ब्लड शुगर लेवल मैनेज होगा, 2 से 4 किलो कम हो जाएगा 6 वीक्स में, और आपका स्किन ग्लो होगा लाइट बल्ब की तरह.
और आप
क्या
लोगों
चाहिए?
के खूबसूरत. ये सब
Exactly.
किया आप दोनों ने? Did you follow any regime
Yeah, the
at
Yeah,
all?
yeah,
product,
we
we
did,
are the
we did.
product of everything you're both saying.
Yeah, 100%.
We do
100%.
everything.
I mean, because
We do
if
everything.
you actually think about it, like shadi planning is kind of like writing, directing, and acting in your own movie.
Yeah.
Except
Yeah.
there are no retakes, and those photos and videos live on forever.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's that pressure and stress to like look good, feel good. But like we did all of this. I think
Everything.
we
We
would
did
go on
too
these like
much,
long walks
actually.
just to like de-stress. So like we were like active, we keep like moving.
And also, I think it's important to stay in love also,
No,
because
of course.
weddings
Of course,
and marriages have a tendency of making a couple fall out
Yeah.
of
No, no,
love with each other,
100%.
because
100%.
family
so much.
fights,
this-
feuds.
Yeah.
The thing is, so much chaos, stress, drama, opinions flying.
Yeah, everything.
But the thing is, I feel like what we did was we would just decompose, think about the wedding, just go on these long walks, plan out our entire week. We'd work out a lot, stay clean, not eat extremely clean, but try and have like healthy ghar ka khana, which is like easier than like trying to kill yourself eating like super clean food. And I actually tore my muscle
He actually
while
tore
playing
his
football.
hamstring
So I was trying to push myself to do more cardio,
right
burn those
before our
extra
Goa
calories.
function.
And right before our Goa function, but 3-4 days before,
Yeah.
I tore my hamstring.
He called me. I was at a wedding function. He's like, I've hurt
Help me out.
myself. I was like, shit, I've come home running to see him like on the bed, like can't move. And then our Goa function was like 4 days later. And he still worked out, went to the gym in Goa before our function.
Because he
before our
wanted
guests
to look
arrived.
good. As he said, it's all about the photographs.
No,
You
There
want
was
to
no
look good, yeah.
commitment
Now,
to
the-
the
Actually,
look.
can I be honest? Everyone pays attention too much about superficial vanity. But at the end of the day, when we were looking at our photos and videos like 2-3 weeks ago, all we remember is the memories and the fun we had. It doesn't really matter what you look like, or yes, to a certain extent, of course. But
No, no,
at
look
the end-
matters.
No, no,
please.
at the end of the
Yeah,
day, you just want to have fun, yeah. You want to enjoy
I mean,
yourself.
please, yeah, that's
all
all
the
very well.
mishaps that
That's all
happen.
very well. All that rubbish you must enjoy. You
Yeah.
must discuss the events of the wedding. But vanity is very important. जब आप खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, and inner glow and all, yeah, understood. But like outer glow is very, very important. आज जो
Yeah.
inner का अच्छा होगा तो बाहर आ ही जाएगा
Exactly.
eventually. Like that. But it's the men actually talking to other brings me to the point that all the skincare and all these routines are always advised to the bride. That no one, everyone neglects the groom. Yes, he goes to the gym. Yes, he might do cardio, Pilates, muscle training, etc. But like he's not taking care of his skin as much as like the bride is. So I think he needs. Are there now more men also getting into this stuff?
Actually, not really. Most of the plans, they are always women. I think women are ज़्यादा conscious of how they look, whereas men are तो like अभी तो फंस गई लड़की है, हो गया हम लोग का.
No, I think it's changing.
It's more with, at least with nutrition aspect, I see very few men coming for a diet
they should
plan,
actually
except for
come.
weight loss.
Yeah.
Only weight loss. That's what they want. उनका sole goal है weight loss. जल्दी weight loss करो. That's all they want. 15 kilo कम करा दीजिए. Just for the wedding day, and then they're back after the honeymoon again to me and saying कि अभी वापस weight बढ़ गया. Too much wife
That's
love,
true.
and I'm like,
That's true.
okay.
But service will tell you there's a freshman 15 that happens when
Yeah.
you go to
Yeah.
university. You put on 15 pounds.
Yeah.
There is also
A
a
wedding
survey
10.
that tells you
Yeah.
there's a wedding 10. That that
I
makes you put
went
on.
through the wedding 10.
You
For
did.
sure.
I
I have
did.
also gone through the wedding.
You've gone through the wedding.
I think
It's
I feel like
on
if
the
you're
way
happy
down
in your marriage, you'll put on weight for sure.
Yeah.
If you don't
Happy
put
now,
on
you're
weight, that
eating,
means
you're
that's
something's
enjoying.
that's
wrong.
an amazing place, but
Yeah.
you eventually will wake up one day
No, of course.
and stare at those jeans you can't get into, and then you're like,
Literally.
one
Then
minute,
you'll
wake
want
up.
those good-looking
No,
photos
but
of
Yeah.
yours.
But
but
I
darling,
think
back
that's
to you. I
changing.
really think that you are saying it's changing.
think
Are
it's
you
changing.
feeling it's changing in fitness? Though it was always the men,
Yeah,
Yeah,
who
but
began.
now I'm seeing a lot of men in Pilates, which I didn't see
Oh
before.
yeah.
Because men used to think Pilates is only for women, and
Yeah.
when they actually do Pilates, they realize that, oh my God, this is not what I thought it was.
This
It's
works.
not about stretching. Pilates
Yeah,
is, not just for women. It's
Yeah.
a lot of work. And I
And because
also,
it's slow burn, you see,
It's slow.
Pilates is slow burn,
And it
men
does so
men
many-
like all men want everything fast.
Yeah, and what it mainly does is it works on your spine.
Yeah.
So if you do Pilates for at least 2 months, you actually start seeing and feeling the
Feeling the
difference.
results.
And who doesn't? You always see buff brides grooms, but now when you see them standing up taller and without their neck being like this because they've only been working traps, and now they're here, it really makes a difference.
It makes a difference. It makes
Yeah,
a
they
difference.
look beautiful too.
Also, darling, tell me about the difference between like men and women, even biologically. It's beyond the obvious differences. It's also systems. Like there is a certain age where women combat weight issues much more than men do. There are hormonal cycles, there are hormonal shifts. I mean, that is something that can be out of your control. Is there ways to circumvent that for women?
So I
mainly?
feel women in general are more hard on themselves
Yeah.
because of the hormonal fluctuation.
Yes.
Now, men also have it, but women have it more.
Much
And
more.
I feel at some level, women stress bhi zyada lete hain. So, it's very important that their diets have healthy fats. They sleep well. At the same time, some amount of carbs. So, their mood swings are in control. I also tell women, get your vitamin profile done. अगर आपका vitamin D iron or B12 कम है, it's
But
not in your,
most
it's not
Indians का
about
कम ही
willpower.
है.
Yes, and that's why I
Yeah.
tell them कि it's not about willpower then, because if B12 is low, you will be more tired. If or your hair and skin will be not glowing and dull. अगर आपका vitamin D low है तो it's a hormonal imbalance, which is again not in your control. Iron is low, आप tired feel करेंगे, again आपके dark circles होंगे. तो this you cannot cure it with any other way but with nutrition then, you know. तो get rather than कुंडली मैच करने से पहले blood profile भी देख लो अपना, you know, because you need to correct it, right? You need to correct
कुंडली
it.
मैच करने में कोई फायदा नहीं. I mean, I shouldn't be saying this. I don't want to get into trouble. I feel कुंडली मैच करना है आप कर लो. It's your
Yeah.
prerogative. But I think it's very important to have that healthy body,
Health,
you know.
you
And I
need
think we
that.
always take our health for granted, you know, in terms of, and
Exactly.
specifically, I think, you know, it's like you said, like we were discussing that you get married, you get fit, and then it's all gone. Like, you know, literally it's gone. You can't just work out or like look good and do all your facial treatments right before. It's something that you have to be consistent with.
I think recovery बहुत important है, as important as it is to work out, which is something which people in India don't do. They don't focus on recovery. सिर्फ workout करते हैं, but like a recovery like the sauna, the cold plunges, the cryo, it's amazing. I do a cold plunge every Sunday.
It wakes you up. It makes
That's
you
my
feel
like
fresh.
bonding
Your whole
time with my
body is-
boys.
Yeah.
We have a terrace, so we have the you know, the tub we get out.
The ice bucket.
100
Ice bath.
kgs of ice we order.
My God.
And then we all take turns going in. We're blasting the music, we're chatting. It's like a thing. And we all feel great. If
It's
you've
amazing. It's
never
You
amazing.
should
done a
have been
cold
my
plunge-
mother, yeah.
Like honestly, even when you're working out, it's not like
You should have
muscle.
been my mother.
But you know,
You
Karan, everything you can do, but you need to sleep.
Yeah.
The best recovery
I
is
think, yeah.
at least 7 to 8 hours of good quality
But कमबख्त
sleep.
ख्यालों का क्या कर लेंगे हम?
वो तो
वो तो आते रहते हैं ना
deep
जहन में.
breathing, meditation थोड़ा
Depends
करिए.
किसके ख्याल आते हैं.
Yeah.
बहुत लोगों के ख्याल आते हैं जो
फिर
जिंदगी
वो
में
तो
ना
चैन
नहीं
की नींद
सकते.
आएगी ना उसे.
एक तरफा ख्याल होते हैं वो सिर्फ ख्याल आते हैं, उसकी सच्चाई नहीं हो सकती. That is the problem.
But sleep is the most essential thing in an entire health and
No, I know.
wellness
See,
journey.
everything you're saying is right.
Yeah.
It is just one has to activate it in your life. We all know this. Sleep well, eat well, work out well, take care of your
Hydrate,
skin. But सब
everything.
करना हमारे, and actually, you know, it's all very simple if you regiment your life. You know, if you give it some kind of routine and regiment. जो होता नहीं हमारे job में specifically, at least in my profession, it's very irregular. Like हमारे weekends भी नहीं होते, national holidays नहीं होते. Sometimes we're working right through. At least I reckon I run a studio, so there are. Everyone is just stress calling you, like phone. And then I remember I went to Davos and something I want to share with someone said, जब कोई phone करे आपको और कहे call urgently for 3 hours, don't call. So I said, why? And I asked, I said, why would you? He said, I'll tell you. He said, firstly, somebody's obviously at a higher zone of hyperness when they've made that message to you. They're hyper. So when you call, you will deal with the worst version of the situation and hyperness, and you will activate your hyper response and everything. 3 hours later, if you call, there are 70 to 80% chances that A, the matter's resolved, B, the person is calmer, so is already looking at a solution, and C, like you have not gone into panic mode yourself. So actually, I've tried it out, and anyone who says call or call urgently, I don't call. I just don't.
You actually
call.
don't reply.
I don't
now?
reply
You don't
for
call
3 hours. I've
immediately?
given it, and I swear, Lekha, it's worked out for me.
और अगर किसी को heart attack हो रहा
No,
हो,
if it's a health emergency,
Or-
no. If
But
my
this is
mother
an
says call, I call.
Excellent rule.
That's your
No, but I'm
Excellent.
telling you, but I'm talking about work people.
yeah,
Because you know
work,
when it's a health.
work people.
I'm talking, this is a work
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be a best friend or a
Personal,
family,
yeah.
I will call immediately.
Yeah.
This is a work related thing. When your EPs, your producers, your assistant directors, sometimes, you know, the people running the set calling you, you know it's a date problem, some issue is happening, some actor has behaved idiotic and some nonsense is going on. And I'm telling you, I've tried this 3-4 hours later, I've called and they say, sorry, I was calling that day, but now it's more matter sorted.
अभी आपको पता है आपने ये इस पे बोल दिया है तो वो लोग सुनेंगे
हाँ.
and they'll find another way to reach out to you.
Hmm.
You've let out your biggest
It's a
secret.
very, very good thought that you have
Yeah.
had. And it's a bad idea that I've
Yeah,
given you all
I
this.
think you should cut this part.
No, it's fine. Listen, let them know that I'm not calling them up for 4 hours and let them try and find the solution.
But this is a true advice. Karan, you can't imagine the amount of people message me next day after Diwali. We are 2 kgs up, we are 3 kgs up. I just decided I'm just going to leave it after 2 days. We are back to our weight. We are back to our weight.
Yeah.
It is the standard stress related messages. Yeah,
Also ये लोग जो obsessive हैं जो रोज अपना weight लेते हैं and they
every
रोज
day.
they talk to that weighing scale like why is this happening and why is
And
that
they'll eat a
अरे
pizza and check their weight in the morning.
yeah
I'm like, it's going to be up.
then someone has told me you know don't go after the shower and take your weight take your weight before because that adds you
First thing
water
in the
weight.
morning, actually.
First thing in
when
the
you do-
morning you have to pee and then
A-
pass
and-
your
and
stool
then,
and then
yeah,
go
yeah,
is
and
what
then
the
you
regular
check.
thing but I take
You
my weight
shouldn't
like
take
once in
your
5
weight.
days like I'm not taking my weight every day.
Your body should be able to tell you if you've gained
And I
weight,
have, by
you
the
know?
way, two weighing scales. One is good to me and one is not good to me. One is like always kinder for some reason, though they're both digital scales, but one is just kinder to me. I don't know. It's just always 5.5 less.
So if you ever take your body composition, where you take your fat percentage and your muscle mass and whatever, you could have lost 2 kilos, and your fat percentage is up because you've lost the muscle weight
That is what
and
has
you've
happened.
gained fat. So people don't see that. People don't see, like, now when everyone's on this new, fad that everyone's trying, they're not realizing they're losing muscle.
Yeah.
And it's not just fat, it's fat and muscle. And
So, I mean, let's discuss this elephant in the room, the pun not intended, because the Ozempic, Mounjaro, everything, like, as fitness experts, as health and nutrition experts, what is your advice to the world?
I feel it's okay to take if you're extremely obese and
Because you could die of a heart attack otherwise.
probably get a heart attack or have high blood pressure or have multiple other health issues. So then I think it will be a more of a medical requirement for you to take. Then you should take it if advised by your healthcare provider, not on your own. If you're just using basically to lose weight, वो weight loss रहेगा नहीं क्योंकि it's a shortcut and it's not so easy also to lose the way people say कि ले लिया injection next day you're 5 kgs less. It doesn't.
But you know, I've met people who have been on Ozempic and have put on weight.
Yes, because
Like it's
once
crazy.
you leave it,
Like they have literally, I have two friends who tried it. It didn't work for them. Firstly, they were throwing up, and then they started eating, and they were like, we felt psychologically कि हमारा weight lose. I said, but it's not a
Automatically,
weight
yeah.
reduction. it's an appetite suppressant.
yes.
okay.
Mm.
But if you're eating, how are you going to lose the weight?
no, and the worst part is you have to take this injection once a week. So
Yeah.
what happens after 7 days, by mistake you forget and you take it on the 8th day, the 7-day appetite वापस खुल जाती है. So you're again starting to eat. So you have to really plan it under medical supervision and only take it. See, person who's taking for weight loss is doing it is a lazy person. क्योंकि उसने पहले try किया सब कुछ, just lazy, overeating, not sleeping, not properly, and that's the reason, not
Or
exercising.
unless you're genuinely diabetic.
So, some
Yeah,
people have
that's
what I'm saying, it's a
thyroid
medical
issues
requirement.
Also. Like some people have thyroid issues also, and they put on weight. They have no other option. I guess that's why they take this. But I've read so much online about people going blind,
No,
having a heart
you
attack,
have
taking
you
Ozempic.
have to do it under medical supervision.
I think
Yeah.
that is the
You
main
have to do
advice
your
कि आप
blood
करो
test.
अगर
अगर
आपको
आपको
करना हो
5-10
लेकिन
किलो
मेडिकल
या
सुपरविजन
अगर
ब्लड टेस्ट के बाद डॉक्टर कंसल्ट के बाद वो सब
और अगर
करो.
आपको 5-10 किलो लूज करना है तो this is not the way to do it. I know people who are over 100 kilos. So they are like literally 30-40 kilos more than their weight that they're supposed to be. And they work out, they eat right, they're very, very careful, and they still can't lose weight. So if the choice is bariatric versus Ozempic, and if their doctor suggests Ozempic or Mounjaro, then I think they should do it, but still under the doctor's guidance, take their blood test
Because I'm not
constantly
so sure the bariatric surgery is the best way
increase-
ahead.
and increase your protein intake and weight train, because you are going to lose
Your
muscle,
muscle
and
mass.
it is so difficult to build a kg of muscle, to put on a kg of muscle, and it's so easy to lose it. And the muscle is what's going to protect you as you grow older, because you are going to every decade lose bone density, and our muscles protect our bones. So all your aches and pains, your arthritis, your osteoporosis, that are going to creep up after 40. If you do something like that and don't take care of your muscle mass, you are going to face all these problems, and then it'll be too late for you to do something.
It
but
will be.
it is a vicious circle because I know people who have taken Ozempic and unfortunately their appetite suppresses so much they can't eat adequate protein.
Hmm.
It is so less.
Yeah, I've also heard the opposite of people putting on weight. There's others who can't stare at food also.
Yeah.
They're
So-
like, they say if you put a samosa in front of us, हम खा ही नहीं सकते.
Yeah, they can't eat. So the thing is, I know a client of mine who was on it because medical emergency required him to take it. And the only thing he could eat in the entire day was a bowl of sprouts and some 100 grams of paneer. He couldn't eat. He just couldn't eat.
So that's why he was losing the weight. I think.
He was losing weight, but he was losing muscle mass as well.
Isn't that
because he
an
just couldn't eat.
unhealthy way of losing
Of
weight?
course it
also?
is unhealthy.
Super unhealthy.
Any fast track, unless it's in an airport, there's no other way it's going to be a workout well. And no shortcut when it comes to
So
health.
basically, I've been in this profession for over 30 years, right? And I've seen all kinds of weight loss and weight gain. और अगर इतना आसान होता मेरा तो profession
Yeah,
बंद हो जाता बहुत
exactly.
पहले.
आसान नहीं है. We've discussed how to get that radiant pre-wedding glow, but sometimes couples just need small practical advice, like a hotline you can call on when things feel like it's getting too much. Let's open the Shadi SOS hotline. Hi, I'm Mannat. She's a female 25 years old from Dehradun. मेरी शादी को 2 महीने बचे हैं. सब बोल रहे हैं कीटो डाइट करो. I have 3 months till my wedding. I have 3 months till my wedding. Everyone's telling me to go on a keto diet. My height is 5 feet 7 inches or weight has 78 kilos. Should I do it?
No, for sure.
No.
Because she will drop weight, but at the same time, she will lose her hair and a lot of skin glow because keto really reduces your protein intake and सिर्फ fat ही देता है diet में. So your micronutrients will not be right. Your nutrition profile will drop. It's a no, no, no.
It's a no.
No
It's
from
a
my
no.
side.
It's a no. Very well said and very clear about how you stated it. All right. Hi, I'm Reema from Delhi. Reema is also his mother's name. My lehenga trial is in a week, which I'm clearly Reema's not doing
Yeah,
his
I know, I
lehenga
know.
trial. My lehenga trial is in a week and I'm feeling damn bloated all the time. Blame the mithais and PCOS for it, but honestly, can I do something quick and easy to reduce this bloating?
I think she should start working out, start getting active. 78 kilos तो मतलब 1-2 kilo जाएगा in that much time, but just start focusing on what's important. Work on your posture, work on your nutrition, eat clean, stop eating fried food, stop sugar, eat good fats, eat good, sweet from your dates or whatever,
Yeah.
and hydrate.
Hydrate.
Can I give one simple tip?
Yes.
Jeera ajwain soft ka pani. Post your meal. It will help you to debloat and reduce.
If
Jeera
it's
ajwain
really
soft cup.
bloating and not fat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
jeera ajwain
Yeah. Well,
soft
you know,
ka pani.
we don't know. She thinks
Yeah.
it's bloating.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But
Jeera ajwain soft ka pani.
Jeera ajwain or soft ka pani.
Just
Good.
mix
This is
all
something
three
I should
together.
also do.
Probably all the mithais. No?
Yeah, it's probably all the mithai. Jeera ajwain or soft ka pani. And this I've seen people drink through the day also.
But overdoing नहीं करना है.
Post-
एक और दो 1 or 2 glasses a day is good enough.
Also, apart from what they're saying, they can also just steam. Also, just removes that excess
Yeah,
water
true.
from your body.
अब ये मोहतरमा
And-
कहाँ स्टीम करने जाएंगे? या बॉडी स्टीम नहीं कर सकती, ये अजवाइन का पानी पी लेगी ये, या बेसिकली यही करेगी. All right, enough of all this responsible talk. अब पॉडकास्ट में थोड़ा ड्रामा लाते हैं. Time for a fun gaming segment. This segment is 7 सवाल, 7 questions. You answer, you're fine. You don't eat these spicy laddus. They're basically motichur ka laddus which have spice on top of it. So I'm like, Alekha's saying like, love it. She's like
Love it,
excited.
but I'm not.
शक्कर भी है?
शक्कर है but spice है तो आपको मिर्ची लगेगी. अगर आपके आंसर्स में मिर्ची ना हो तो फिर आपको ये खाना पड़ेगा और
Eat the
उसका जो
mirchi.
जज है वो मैं होने वाला हूँ.
Wow.
हाँ,
Okay.
so I'm the judge, I'm the jury. So you have to give me honest answers, otherwise laddu खाओ और फिर पछताओ. Ready? Alekha, are you ready?
For me first?
No, I'm
Okay.
just saying. Just ask if you're ready. All right, let's start with you, Neha. If you had to expose one popular diet trend that's total bakwas, which one would it be?
I would say keto. It's.
Bakwas trend.
I think it's totally useless. I
You know,
think,
there used to be the older 80s version was Dr. Atkins
yes,
diet.
and you know what happened to him now?
Yeah, he died of his own diet.
Exactly.
General Motors. By the way, ये दोनों किया मैंने.
मुझे
We
पता
all
है.
have
मैंने
done it
सब
at some
कुछ मैंने
point.
General Motors I did बार लगातार. Once I did it for a month and I was sick. And by the way, that Atkins का diet मैंने जो किया था, मुझे अभी भी याद है. मैं एक accounts class में था जो मैं college के वक्त में जाता था. There was an accounts class paper and I have fainted in that class because I was on this diet.
Yes.
I was on this Atkins diet, which was like high protein and only protein. Like they used to say even a chewing gum can ruin. So you could have a 9-egg cheese omelette or have a greasy burger.
So like
Wow.
high
Without
fat, high
the bread.
protein.
Yeah.
Only protein. Like not, you were allowed
The
one bowl of
burger-
vegetables, like itna,
That's
one like
crazy.
small bowl of vegetables,
Without
nothing.
the bread.
Like not,
No bread.
no bread,
carbs.
nothing, not no.
Carb.
You
But
can't,
but your burger could be fried.
Yeah, it could
Fried
be fried.
khas
You could have
with it.
fried chicken
Same as
without-
keto.
you
Like
could,
similar
you
to
could,
Also, it's
keto,
kinda-
yeah.
Yeah.
is keto,
it was very, but it was more harsher than
I
keto.
think keto is also harsh, यार. सिर्फ fat ही खाओ पूरे दिन, थोड़ा protein खाओ. Listen, we are living in India. We love our carbs. थोड़ा तो carbs होना
नहीं,
चाहिए.
नहीं,
Imagine
and
living
I've
a life
realized कि
without.
चावल तो
I
is
mean, you
my
can't even choose
necessity.
your vegetables. What is avocado and berries? We don't even get that. It's an expensive diet also.
Yeah, it is expensive. All right, okay, Yasmin. Yes, which celebrities' Pilates transformation photos are clearly helped by other things?
I'm also curious about this.
Karan Johar.
I heard a whole laughter. I want to tell you. I want to tell you, I heard a whole room laughing. Very smart answer. Avoiding the laddu and throwing me under the bus. I love it. I love it.
That was a
Yes.
good one.
If you know all my celebrities, आपको पता है अगर मैंने किसी का भी नाम लिया,
Yeah.
मैं under
But
the
I've
bus.
also been your client, so
Yeah,
meaning
of
you can
course,
totally
that's
throw
why
me under
it's
the bus.
all-
I'm okay. Alekha,
Yes.
you're all about balanced wellness. We know that. But during your own wedding planning, did you slip into any unhealthy pattern at
Yeah,
all?
of course. So much. My guilty pleasure is chocolate, and like just eating chocolate in the middle of the night. After everything, after dessert, after dinner, after everything, I'll just have
You
chocolate.
still eating chocolate in the
Yeah, I
night?
still have chocolate. Small square version.
Yeah.
That's the one I love.
Oh, that's the one you love.
Love
Okay.
it. But that's my guilty pleasure. So that's for sure.
Okay. Neha, have you ever had to tell a bride, beta? Why would you say beta? I don't know. Dear, ye weight goal impossible hai. How did that go?
Oh God, I can't tell you. That is a regular thing. But I'll tell you, one incident just happened few days back. One bride came to me. She wants to lose 15 kilos. She wants to have Coke every day. She wants
Regular
to
Coke?
regular Coke, 4 to 5 glasses. She doesn't drink water. She wanted to have half a bar of chocolate, on the weekends half a bottle of alcohol, and she said, "Put me on calorie deficit." I said, "एक काम करो, भगवान या Ozempic कोई नहीं help कर सकता तुम्हें. It's your mission impossible. It's not possible."
And
And
she had the guts to come
she
and
came and she told me, "I'll pay you extra if you can figure this out." I said, "No, thank you."
That's
I mean,
crazy.
I was shocked.
You know, there's a film called Thodi Si Bewafai. It's an old film. It's about it's with Rajesh Khanna and Shabana Azmi, and there's one scene there I can never forget. It's about this very plus-size girl who goes to a dietitian. And उस time dietitian in the 80s one had never heard of only. But एक scene था where the diet doctor कहते हैं कि सुबह सुबह बेटा एक boiled अंडा खा लो, फिर एक salad lunch, दिन में salad और रात को ये एकदम grilled fish या whatever the I don't remember the real dialogue. So she very sincerely heard it. She said, "ये lunch के पहले खाओ या lunch के बाद
I
में?"
think I remember. Yeah, I remember that.
She was like, ये खाओ, she said, ये dinner के पहले खाओ, ये dinner के बाद खाओ, ये lunch के पहले खाओ, lunch के बाद. She couldn't fathom that this could be your lunch and dinner. It was hilarious. So this girl sounds much like this character, who clearly is in Delulu land.
She got up from the chair and said, "By the way, I'm a doctor." And I said, I rolled my eyes and I'm like,
Who gave her a degree?
I don't know what doctor
My
she was. I was going to
God.
question that, but I was like, just let her leave
You
the
must be a
cabin.
PhD in like what not to do. All right, okay. Yes, Sarah, Janvi, Ananya, rate them basis their workout ethic.
Hmm.
You want to eat the laddu?
Okay. Janvi, Sarah, Ananya.
I would imagine Sarah would be much more diligent in her
But
workout. But
Janvi's
she's,
older, so she's been working out longer.
yeah.
And
Is
she's
Janvi
been
older? No,
consistent.
Sarah's older.
But Janvi's been working out longer than
Acha.
Sarah.
Maybe that's why. Also,
While
because
Sarah
Jan-
was like on her weight loss.
Yeah.
Janvi, I know because Janvi came to me and she was a baby.
yeah. She
Like,
then
she had got her like she was a baby.
her mom must have told her, जाओ
Yeah.
करो. Adar, शादी में ऐसा कोई moment जहाँ तुमने बोला F the diet, मैं तो यही खाऊंगा.
Shadi ke, I think the whole time I said after diet. Yeah,
You
it
were
was
saying.
damn difficult. And now home, we're all Kapoors, we're all foodies. It
Yeah.
was damn difficult to maintain a diet. There's so many
And especially
distractions and
the
temptations.
khana in your house is just amazing. How do you resist
Damn
it?
difficult.
Yeah?
There's mutton biryani, jungly mutton, paya, crab curry just lying there
When
every
you
single
calling
day.
us
Every
home?
single
Curry
day.
So
every
it's damn
day.
difficult to maintain a diet. And I'm having my chicken and rice and broccoli and everyone's eating like this. It's damn difficult.
It is
Every
not
day,
easy.
every day,
It
yeah.
is not easy.
No, it's
Not
not
easy.
easy, man.
Yeah,
So
but,
the
but
biggest challenge
sometimes you
starts
cheat.
home.
Like she ate chocolate raat ko, you were doing your cheating on the side.
No, but I definitely cheated. Like I didn't like restrict myself. Like I worked out hard
Yeah,
enough
मगर
so I
workout
could
भी
enjoy the
इतना किया
weekends.
था ना.
Like that I did.
Like he would have his pizza and we'd go out, have his pepperoni
Yeah, for
pizza
sure.
and burgers.
I
and,
enjoyed.
Yeah, everything.
They did everything. I want to tell
I
you.
know.
I'm like this perfect couple have reached.
You have to balance. I think balance.
Balance,
उनकी
It's the most
मिसाल दो
important
लोगों
thing.
को
Balance,
शादी
exactly.
के
ये
लिए.
वाकई
इनकी
मिसाल है.
मान्यवर मिसाल हो तुम.
Okay. According to you, I'm going to ask each one individually.
Okay.
Yes. According to you, name the fittest person in the business who looks hot and could be man, woman, anyone looks hot and has done it the right way. I think
Akshay
I know.
Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
There's
Okay.
nobody else.
I was going to say Katrina in my head. I was going to.
Akshay. I mean,
Akshay.
Akshay is just fit.
He's just fit.
He's
yeah.
just fit, and he does like he's natural.
Yeah. And he's
And,
done
you
it the
know,
right
and
way.
he
You
lives
can tell.
it.
Okay, and I know this is not part of your business, but you have given nutrition advice to many in Bollywood as well. But like, who do you think is like looks the healthiest and fittest?
I think Deepika.
Yeah.
She has a very athletic body.
Yeah,
And
she
I
does. She
think
has been
done
an
that.
athlete
Yeah,
herself.
she's been an athlete. I think it comes quite natural to her. So I think I'm post-pregnancy also, she's looking beautiful.
Yeah.
And I don't think she puts in as much effort as other people because she, I think, genetically also blessed,
Blessed, yeah.
come from
And
an
she's such a
athletic.
beautiful tall
Yeah.
girl.
So I would think she would be my
Yeah.
top rated with body.
Other?
I think Tiger.
Okay, yes.
Tiger has the most discipline, the way he works out. I think it's very regimental and not just weight training. It's very hard to have that kind of body and have that flexibility. So I think Tiger.
But Tiger's regime is crazy.
Yeah, it's mad.
He doesn't cheat. He doesn't eat. He eats healthy or whatever he's eating. He's working out like twice a day. And in between, he's dancing. I love Tiger. He's a sweetheart. I tell him, like, don't you want to just drink some alcohol and have fun at a party sometimes? And he just doesn't have a single bad habit.
So like cakes and like he smells it. He's like,
Yeah, he smells. He smells.
So that means when you smell, you want.
You desire, but you are there. But look at that willpower.
that willpower is amazing. It's very hard.
Crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Alekha, who do you think is hot?
Always seen, because I know Anil Kapoor really well personally, I've always seen him on holidays at Alibag with him, just doing what he needs to do with his trainer and like just eating right and doing everything the right way. I've seen that growing up.
Also a rightfully governing wife who's watching everything. Like, yeah, Sonu is she's a baller like that. She's not going to let him fall off that.
I mean, you need two people sometimes to, make it work and
Yeah.
make the person who's on screen look the way they look. So I think
He's
he's
aging in like
he looks
reverse.
amazing for
I
his
Okay,
think
age.
do I know I'm
Alekha-
allowed 7, but I'm going to go for my 8.
I think
Yes.
Alekha is also taking notes from Sonu auntie on what
yeah.
to do.
Yeah,
Whipping me into
He's
shape.
on,
Yeah,
uh,
like
whipping
the
me into shape.
facials
Yeah.
and the
but not this year. It's the honeymoon phase.
Yeah,
after,
yeah.
after some time.
Okay, and who in Bollywood, and now you're not allowed to say me, who do you think needs to get on track? Fitness-wise, nutrition-wise?
Okay, I'm not trying to be diplomatic, but I think the new gen is very, very conscious and they know exactly what they want. And I don't think if you'd asked me this 10 years ago, there would be a list. But I think right now they're all on
They're
point.
on top of it, yeah.
All on point.
Actually, it's just the nature
And
of
they're
our
all
profession.
looking incredible. They're working right. They're looking just fab.
Yeah, and they're all like
Yeah.
regimented, and it's crazy. You're
And they
absolutely
carry
right.
food from home for shoots.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, I
you
know, I know.
Too good.
I'm telling you, call them for dinner. They come with dabbas. All of them. Like
Wow.
I've had movie stars at home. Like
Yeah, yeah.
everyone comes with a dabba. Like
Wow.
literally, it's like a pot party,
Neetu
but
Mami
they're only
comes
eating
with
their
own
own
dabba.
And
food.
now imagine if you and Zoe
Yeah.
have lost weight and are looking the way
Yeah,
y'all are.
yeah.
I mean, there's
Everybody's no, but I remember like Alia when she brings in her dabba, you can't eat because it's a measured meal.
Yeah,
So she
measured.
was like,
Yeah.
you
You
can't
can't
like
even take
the
look at it and
qualified.
say like, yeah. She's like, just she says, don't touch
Yeah.
my
Yeah, don't
food.
touch, yeah.
But
This
Neetu
is
Mami
all I
does
need.
the
Neetu Mami
same
is the
thing.
same. Neetu Mami is the
thing.
same.
Yeah.
Always
She'll come
brings
with like a
on
bowl
food.
of quinoa,
Yeah,
dry
yeah.
fruits,
Carrot,
nuts,
yeah,
and don't
yeah.
touch it. That's
I'm
all
also
she'll have
like
and go
that. I
away.
hate sharing my food.
Neha, do you think you have anyone?
I was thinking of something,
Huh?
but
Then you want to eat the laddu?
Yeah, if you're thinking and you're not telling, you have to eat the laddu.
This is the one I had to ask because I want. Yas has cleverly gotten away by giving a very sincere answer, but she's
yeah,
also.
she gave the answer that I wanted to give. So I was thinking now what to say.
Hmm.
I'm
going to make her eat the laddu for sure.
Yeah,
She's-
I think it's a very
I will
diplomatic
eat
answer.
all the chilies from the top of the laddu. Chal.
So I'm just saying an
I
answer.
don't care. You have to eat
Any
the laddu.
actor, right? It
Either.
specifically has to be an actor, right?
No, it has to be someone in Bollywood.
Paresh Rawal.
Okay.
Like-
He should become hit fitter. Paresh Rawal.
Yeah, I think he can become a bit fitter.
Okay. All right. Good answer. You skipped the laddu. You're eating it. Give her this. She
I
didn't
will
give
eat
one name.
all the.
You eat what you want.
When
but you
I
have to eat
said
it.
my answer, you two agreed with me.
No, but then on
I will eat
hindsight,
sweet.
I realized that I wanted somebody to eat this laddu. Aha, this cheating is not allowed. See, she's not even touching the bee
You're
of
having
the
just the
bundi.
chili flakes.
She's not even
That's-
touching the
That's
bundi.
very.
You
Yes.
wanted us to eat the chili. I'm
Okay,
eating
Baba, eat it.
all
okay.
the chili.
Other, who do you think needs to get now? He'll say, myself.
I was actually going to
Yeah,
say
I
myself.
know.
I was gonna say
I don't want to be
him.
safe, but I'm being honest. Honestly, शादी खत्म हो गई, honeymoon phase भी खत्म हो गया, but I'm still, enjoying life. So I think I need to like now tone it down and get back
Okay.
into shape and
Okay.
and eat clean. My wife.
How
think
many
is now gonna
kilos?
whip
How
me
many
back into
kilos
shape.
are you up from?
Since the wedding? I was about 68, 69. Now I'm about 76. But I've lost from 80. I've come down after the honeymoon. I've lost 4 kilos.
So you're at 76
Yeah.
now. One of my last questions really is lose it like you said. People have worked out all their lives, eaten right, and just can't lose the weight. I get it. Medically, it can be traumatic. I have combated weight all my life. Been on 3,000 diets. But sometimes I feel, shall we not use this as a shield to cover up our poor health and our poor workout routines? And suddenly go woke about like, don't body shame me. I'm self-love and self-care. But are you really taking care of yourself? If you're doing all of that and still have this larger plus size body, I'm all yours. But let's not make body positivity a shield, in my opinion, to poor health. Am I right? Am I wrong?
It's totally right. Actually, the key is now we are very emphasized on shape and size. But the real thing is we have to nourish our body.
Yeah.
It's not about eating less, starvation. It's about nourishing. When you nourish your body, you see an overall improvement in hair, skin, gut, liver, blood sugar levels. Size also is a byproduct. It could be large or small, but you're healthy. And what is a sign of a healthy? You're happy, you're less fatigued, your mood swings are low. You can go through your day with doing everything and not getting bogged down. So I feel health, the word health is a better word than a diet. Eat right, nourish your body, eat wholesome food, hydrate well. That's what people need to do. But we have made it very size emphasized, and that's the problem of how we talk more than anything else.
This is also a very Gen Z defense mechanism that's come up.
Yeah.
Don't body shame me, don't skin shame me. Because if you tell a Gen Z who's like, say, even something as simple as they've broken out into some pimples, they're eating a lot of sugar, and you'll say, like, cut your sugar down. Are you like shaming me? Are you like calling me out? And I'm like, no, bro, I'm telling you the way you should do it because sugar is bad for your skin. You're breaking out. Like, samosa pada hua hai, aap plus size ho, you're reaching for a samosa, you'll say, no, why don't you eat the salad first? Are you body shaming me? So it's become a defense mechanism. If you try to tell them something, they're like, you're always picking on me. You're always doing this. So
As
I
I
think
said, it's become a defense.
yeah,
Yeah,
And
it's
you
just
know,
become.
and I really believe that. Don't you all think so? The same, this
I'll tell you a
I
really
feel,
funny story,
yeah, sure.
Karan. I was pregnant with my first son, and I had put on 25 kilos in my pregnancy, and I went into my labor and delivery, and I'm being wheeled out of my delivery. I've just gone through this labor. I've had a natural birth. I've come out, and my mother looks at me saying, "Bacha nikla kya bahar?" And say, like, what do you mean? Imagine saying that to today's generation.
No, they
Oh
would be very
God.
upset.
They will not
Sure.
talk to you forever.
Or you had like
Yeah.
my
We
dad,
just move
my
on.
dad who was in delusion land about me, and you say, "Thoda puppy fat hai." And I was like this, and he was like, "Thoda puppy fat hai, chala jayega."
Yeah.
And my mother was like, "Yash, what are you saying? Look at him, he's so large, he's so fat." Nahi, 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 aisa kuch nahi. Itna handsome hai, itna handsome hai. Like I was like, I'm like, "Papa, please, like really." He said, "Tu hero banega." And my mother used to roll her eyes, like literally, like there's no way he's capable or should be a hero. My father said, "Best looking boy. Dekha uska face kitna handsome." And
really
I'm
sweet.
like, oh God, now Punjabi dads are all deluded. Punjabi moms are not though. Sometimes my mother was calling me out all the time.
I think these comments sometimes help because I remember in school I was a very healthy child. I was like 85 kgs in like when I was 12 years old. And I remember the teacher entering the class and saying, Neha, aaj lagta hai aloo paratha khaya hai tumne. And the whole class started laughing. Okay. And that was a mean thing. It stayed with me till now,
Yeah, it's very mean.
And I came back to my mom. I mean, it was a typical, and she was,
This teacher needs to meet your mother.
my mom was like, हाँ मतलब तुम्हारा size है बड़ा. And I was like, oh, I didn't realize I was fat. I was in an all-girls school, you were not that conscious that time. But that was a turning point in my life. Like, I woke up that morning, I decided now I don't want to be fat anymore.
Hmm.
And I decided to do something, and my entire career came out of it.
When I decided to lose weight the very first time, is when I went to college and had to wear colored clothes. And I realized uniforms you blend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like somehow a mass of just one type of clothing.
Yeah.
You go and you have to wear jeans and a t-shirt, and like you reach college and then you see everybody way thinner than you and you all color. And somehow that really shook me up. And then I did that Atkins diet and then fainted. And that was the end of that. My mother was
Yeah.
like, because she didn't know I was doing this diet. I didn't tell anyone at home because I was eating whatever I
Yeah.
was eating. They were just not seeing what I wasn't eating.
Can I ask you that? I mean, you all obviously asked all of us questions. But how did you lose that weight now? I mean, you're looking damn good.
So
So
I
what was your
actually went to
journey?
Viva. Contrary to what people think that I'm on Ozempic and all, I'm quite like not. I think what happened is there were few intolerances that I discovered when I went to Viva Maya. When I went back again, this time I had not done my kinesiology test the last time. And this time I went
That's
and did my
really-
kinesiology, and I realized that I'm acutely gluten intolerant and acutely lactose intolerant.
Oh.
And I actually didn't realize that I was like eating like roti and not eating rice. And actually rice is my friend.
Yeah.
Potato is my friend, and I was
Yeah.
not eating, and I
Right.
was, and my thyroid levels were all over the place, and they put me on a thyroid medication because I didn't know I had a
Yeah, yeah,
problem.
Yeah.
And
Right.
he told me, and I used to always wonder, I'm dieting, I'm starving, I'm doing whatever I can to lose weight, I'm just not losing the weight. So I basically realized these intolerances. So I've removed gluten completely. What I also removed besides lactose and
Yeah.
gluten, and almond milk works very well for me. Like
Yeah.
there's no
Yeah.
problem. What I also removed was sugar. Now, like Alekha,
Yeah.
I really like completely, unless I have that one piece of
Chocolate.
chocolate is my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I do one, I
Right.
say I do it once every day, though it's not. It's once every 3 days. I
Wow.
go and I'll eat that one piece. It'll
Yeah.
give me some joy and I'll move. And I remove because I was dieting through the day and then
Yeah.
I was eating kheer in the night. I would go
Wow.
to my fridge and there would always be something meeta. Kheer is like a
Yeah.
symbolism
I
for
used to
meeting.
have Milkmaid when I
Yeah, I
was
used
in
to love.
school.
So I realized I just cut through. I just realized, and the weight just went up. That with the thyroid medication, it just all went.
Amazing.
And I didn't
Yeah.
need to get onto the. What I do need to is get onto the workout wagon because
But
that
you
I'm
don't
not
work.
doing.
You're not working out at all.
No, so I swim and I've been playing paddle.
Oh,
But
really?
yeah, I've been playing
You should
paddle.
play.
I play very badly because I play
That's
very
okay.
badly. I'm obnoxiously
That's
bad.
okay.
But I'm
Good
trying.
cardio.
And
Yeah.
in my head, I'm
Fun.
playing quite well. But like clearly, I'm finding three because you have to find three others who play
Yeah.
like
Oh,
you.
Where there will play with you whenever.
So I'm no, so I yeah. But y'all will be way
But
better.
you
So I
should
used to play at
start
Mannath
strength
earlier.
training.
Huh?
You should start strength training.
I need to start.
My
That is what.
doors are open.
Yes, I'm coming. I really need to come. But I get scared of you. You start screaming at me the first day only. I'll come.
No, I'll be,
If you're
I'll be
kinder
kind.
to me.
I'll be kind.
I'm hoping that you become kinder
You
now.
were kind to
When
me
I used to
today.
work out, she used to scream at me every day. Every day I used to go there and I said, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that because
But
I
you
was
need that push, yeah. You
But
I-
need
now
it.
you're older and wiser, and you've
and even more
changed.
stubborn.
Yeah, but I'm nicer.
Now you're
I've
nice.
also aged
Finally,
then,
yes,
yeah.
finally.
Finally.
All right. All right. So now before I let all of you leave, I have something very interesting. हम इसे कहते हैं मान्यवर मैजिक मंत्रा. आपके पास कुछ शगुन के लिफाफे पड़े होंगे. Open them and please write one special mantra that you'd like everyone who watches this episode to remember. Once you do that, I'd like you to read it out, and then Adar will kindly take all the envelopes and put it into our Manyavar bowl. Write one thing that you want people to remember you by, your thoughts by, or how today was. Okay, Alekha, let's start with you. Please read it.
Okay, mine is forget the critical aunties and do what you need to. Enjoy the moment. This is meant to be the most magical day of your life. Don't forget to smile while getting married. Don't be sad. It's supposed to be a happy day.
Lovely. That's well put. Adar.
Just work out, chill out, and make out. Like Karan's movies teach us. Like Karan's movies teach us. शादी एक ही बार होती है. So just fucking enjoy.
Yeah, that's true. Well done. Well done, Adar.
Beauty and diet is an investment together. Don't count calories. Eat right, nourish your body, have patience and consistency. Results will come.
Like a good teacher, you are.
Be fit because you deserve it. Remember, your body is the only permanent house you have to live in. Nourish it always.
That's true. Well said. Well put. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you very much, Neha. Thank you, Adar. Thank you, Alekha. Thank you, all of you. But before I do my final thank you, if Adar, you may collect the envelopes and put it into our illustrious bowl of fame. Thank you, Alekha. Thank you, Adar. Thank you for joining us. Congratulations on your special day. And here's to losing your 7 kilos that you have to lose. Going back, he's already on a regime. Here's to you looking great and fabulous again, like it's your shadi all over again. You look great even today, so you don't have to worry. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for your amazing advice. I'm sure there are lots of things that you have said that are going to be deeply applicable to so many people watching this podcast. Yes, thank you for your infectious energy, and thank you for also saying it with a smile, but being strict in the same time. and being poignant, but with purpose. Always. Like Yas is known for, and anyone who knows her well will say that. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being
Thank
on
you,
this
Karan.
podcast.
Thank you for
And
having
see you
us.
soon. See
Thank
you
Thank
soon. Much
you.
love. So, my dearest viewers, I hope this episode ke baad you'll plan your pre-wedding health journey much better. You got some insights on how to plan your health journey before your wedding and realize health isn't a 6-week project for your wedding. It is much more than that. See you in the next episode of the Manyavar Shadi Show. And don't forget, Taiyar Hoke Aana.